the new Airpods Pro. Just received today, October 30th. Not bad. Let's see how this looks out. Now the Airpods Pro is supposed to have at least 24 hours of charge time, 5 hours of listening time with noise cancellation. Let's see. Not bad. Let's prepare this. Whew. Let's go there. Inside here is two different ones with a little charging cable. And of course the wireless charging case. It's pretty heavy. It's a lot heavier than normal. Oh, nice little charging case with the same little setup. Not bad. Find this out. Within the box is a USB, looks like a USB-C charger to a Lightning, which we definitely need since everything right now happens to be part of the wonderful ecosystem. And of course, the little size fits that goes in there that's supposed to click right into the new AirPods Pro. Not bad. I'm sure it's gonna sound amazing, but if you look right at these are good right on there. Amazing little setup. All right. These are going for $249 at Apple, and they are released today, so you can grab some if you want some.